Hi guys, you can see Yamaha soundbar yas-209 unboxing and review in this video. This is the one cartoon of Yamaha soundbar yas-209. It's cartoon like a L shape. Almost features are mentioned on the cartoon. Then I need to inform everybody, this box is repacked for demo video. That's why this cartoon packing is not good. Actually original Yamaha packing is very nice packing, very good packing. When you are going to open the box, first you can see there is a catalog, optical cable and remote. Actually this remote function are very easy, not complicated one. It has included a high quality optical cable. Also included two power cord, one for soundbar, one for subwoofer. So totally those items are included inside the box. Soundbar has HDMI in, HDMI out ARC, network connection, optical connection, update only USB. So this USB not for MP3 song, only for update. Then mention on the soundbar, it will be support Bluetooth, Dolby Audio, DTS, DTS-X, HDMI, Wi-Fi. It's you can hang on the wall also. Okay, let's connect power cord on wireless subwoofer. And we can connect power cord on soundbar also. Its power button, its input button. When you are pressing input, you can see change in the function. Power button, volume up, volume down, input, mic mute, built-in mic, Alexa indicator, Wi-Fi indicator, surround, net, Bluetooth, TV, HDMI, status. Its backside of the subwoofer, pairing button, standby, pairing indicator. Let's see review of the soundbar. Included in box, optical cable, remote, two power cord. All these functions buttons are available on remote. Now you can read on the screen what is the weight of the soundbar and subwoofer and what is the size of the soundbar and subwoofer. It has 200 watts RMS, sound technology, DTS and Dolby Digital, Bluetooth version 4.2. Also has Alexa voice assistance. So built-in mic available for Alexa. Also available HDMI in, HDMI ARC out, optical, LAN, USB for update. Let's try to play a song.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only got me, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Shit on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging on till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that.
Okay guys, I hope for you useful this video. If you like this video, please give a like and share. If you have anything doubt, you can ask by comment. Still, if you did not subscribe this channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for you getting future new video uploading notifications. Thank you for watching.